Hello Immians, welcome back to my channel. Today I am moving right into it because we've got a lot of stuff to cover in this short video. So I'm going to start my skin prep by applying an eye mask. This is a brightening eye mask and it really helps with my dark circles. So I love to pop this on whenever I have time. I am moving on with waxing. Now on this occasion I'm showing you guys my arms, but obviously whatever I'm doing on my arms I do on my entire body. So what I do is I start off by waxing my arms, my legs, and another thing that I've got is oil in my hair while I'm doing this video, because at the end of the video I'm going to take a shower anyways. So I recommend to start with the waxing. As you can see, the wax really helped smooth out my skin. I like to move into dry brushing. Now dry brushing is really helpful for lymphatic drainage and it helps reduce cellulite. I also do this all over my body just once a week, but this is amazing for special events because you're going to get that tight looking skin. The next thing I'm going to do is some body polish. Now this one is one of my favorite natural body polishes. It smells really great and it's basically coconut oil based. That's why it's, you know, frozen because it's so cold here. But this is really going to remove that dead skin from, you know, our body. It's going to reveal that really super smooth skin and you guys are going to thank me for using this. So I'm showing you guys this on my arms, but you know, obviously do this on your legs and everywhere else. You don't need a big amount, just a small amount works really well because the coconut oil starts to melt. And I'm doing this on dry skin. If you have really dry skin, apply on dry skin, otherwise you can apply it with water. Now after that I would recommend to have a shower, and I'm moving on to my nails. So I have already shaped my nails, and what I like to do is apply garlic directly onto my nails. If you can do this daily, it will help your nails strengthen and really grow. For special occasions I would highly recommend it as well. I'm also applying some cuticle oil, and this is basically just a very natural cuticle oil. It's got like vitamin E and everything in it, which helps strengthen your nails and keep them very strong. I'm going to take off that mask, and what I'm going to do now is kind of odd, but I'm going to wax my nose. So I don't recommend to do this all the time, and I don't do it all the time either, but for big events and special occasions I love to wax my nose. It works a lot like my gelatin treatment that I've showed you guys before. Like it works like a peel off mask basically. It will get rid of all those blackheads, whiteheads, and also those really tiny hairs on your nose to reveal a very nice and smooth nose. So in this time you can also do your brows. Now I do my eyebrows at home. I've got an entire video on it, but basically I use this mini shaver and I use tweezers, and it's super easy to do at home. It takes me like less than 10 minutes. If you want to see the full video, I will link that below. Okay, I'm just gonna peel my nose wax off. It kind of hurt a tiny bit, but not that much. And as you can see, all those tiny hairs came off. Now I'm moving on to my face prep. I'm just wetting my face and I'm gonna apply a scrub to my face. I'm gonna cleanse after the scrub, and this is a really easy homemade scrub. It's my matcha and sugar scrub, which really helps my skin really calm down because my skin gets very red sometimes. All you need is some brown sugar, some matcha powder. If you don't have matcha powder at home, you can put green tea leaves, they work the same. I'm also adding some raw organic honey. You only need about 1 tablespoon. And now I'm going to squeeze half a lemon of juice. This is a very small lemon, but this was enough for me. The mixture looks dry right now, but you need to keep mixing it because it's a scrub. We want it to be thick. So as you see, I kept mixing it and it became a nice smooth paste. Now we are ready to use this on our skin. So I like to apply this scrub all over my face, also my neck. If you've got some extra scrub, scrub your hands and feet. You guys will thank me for this. It makes your feet super smooth as well, gets rid of all that dead skin, and the green tea is very beneficial for your skin as well. Another thing I like to do is scrub my lips, and it really helps reveal really soft and smooth lips as well. So all I'm doing is scrubbing my face. I like to leave this on for 1 or 2 minutes after I scrub my face before I wash it off. Now I'm just applying this cream cleanser. This is by Sukin, and it's the Sukin cream cleanser, which is super gentle on the skin. It's all natural as well, and I'm going to use this cleansing brush. Now you guys have seen this in my video a long time ago. I've been using this cleansing brush for over a year now, and I love it so much for my facials at home. It really helps get that deep clean in, and you don't have to go to a spa for this. After I wash my face, I'm just giving my face some steam. All you do is get a bowl of hot water. Make sure you're careful if you're young and that is going to open our pores for our mask. Now I'm using a super basic mask. If you're Pakistani or Indian, you guys probably know this mask. It's a super basic yogurt and turmeric mask, but I love this mask for all occasions. It really clears the skin and gets rid of acne and hyperpigmentation. All I've added is some Greek yogurt, some chickpea flour, I'm adding some turmeric in, and I'm going to add some lemon juice. That's it. You can add more things if you want. You can add honey in this. You can really add whatever you want, but I'm keeping it basic because this is my favorite mask. Now you can see we've got a super smooth paste, and this is actually enough for a whole week. So I would recommend doing this every 2 days to keep your skin glowing before your big event. I'm just going to apply the mask to my opened up pore skin, if that makes any sense. I would also recommend to apply this underneath the eyes because it helps with dark circles, and also on your neck, and if you have any left, you can apply on your body as well. Leave this mask on for 15 to 20 minutes before you wash it off. And then I'm going to move into toning. Now I'm using my rose water and witch hazel toner. I will also link this below, but I love this toner because it really gets rid of any excess on the skin. And the reason I'm toning my skin is to get off any of that excess mask which might be left on the skin. There's not too much. Now I'm moving on to my vitamin C serum. I swear by this, guys, for glowing skin. This has really helped my skin, kept it bright and really youthful. I like to pat this product in, and I kind of like to slap my face a little bit to get that blood moving and get that circulation happening. Another thing I like to do is face massage. So I'm just applying this rose geranium elixir, which is by USPA. Now I discovered this when I went for my facial at the Freedom Body retreat. I will link this below as well, but it's basically rosehip and avocado oil, and this is amazing for everyday use and also face massage. I've got a full video on my face massage, so I will also link that below if you're interested in how I do my face massage. But it's very easy, and it's very effective for getting that excess water retention or fluid out of your face. This face massage also helps thin out your face if you've got a bit of bloating in your face, which is why I love it. I love to also apply my glow serum. I've got a video on this as well, and I love to apply this after facials because I know my skin is going to absorb all the nutrients from my glow serum. I like to finish off with a bit of hand cream, and we are done, guys. You can now have a shower or do anything that you like. I'm gonna go into the shower, wash my hair out because I've got oil in my hair, and that's it. We are ready for that big event.